The whole house three-stage water filtration system is designed to seamlessly integrate with your home's plumbing, providing an efficient and comprehensive filtration solution. The system features a robust 5-micron sediment filter that effectively captures dust, dirt, silt, sand, rust, and scale particles, significantly enhancing the longevity of the filtration unit. Its advanced granular activated carbon filter is adept at removing chlorine, radon, and volatile organic compounds, ensuring water clarity and eliminating unpleasant tastes and odors. The CTO Carbon Block filter further purifies the water by removing harmful chemicals such as insecticides, pesticides, and industrial solvents, contributing to a cleaner and safer water supply. With a solid blue housing and a 3/4-inch thread connection, the system is both durable and easy to install, making it an ideal choice for homeowners seeking reliability. Manufactured in the USA, this system comes with an extra set of filters, allowing for easy maintenance and consistent water quality every 4 to 6 months.